Does your Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo 950 robot vacuum side brush look like this? One side is spinning perfectly while the other just sits there dragging along like it's on a permanent coffee break. The problem is usually caused by hair or carpet fibers getting tangled deep within the gear assembly. This creates massive resistance, causing the motor to overheat and eventually burn out. It's like trying to run a marathon with your shoelaces tied together. Ignoring a dead brush doesn't just look sad, it ruins your cleaning efficiency. Your robot ends up pushing dirt into corners instead of picking it up, leaving your floors half clean and your vacuum working twice as hard. But don't worry, your cleaning days aren't over. Robocare is here to help. At Robocare, we specialize in bringing these advanced machines back to life. We don't believe in guesswork, we believe in precision. When your vacuum arrives, we use advanced diagnostic tools to test the power output from the motherboard to the side brush motor. We want to ensure it's a motor failure and not a deeper electronic glitch. Once the fault is confirmed, we perform a meticulous replacement using genuine components. We don't just fix the motor, we deep clean the internal housing to prevent future debris buildup from causing the same issue twice. But talk is cheap. Let's look at the proof. And just like that, after a professional repair, this Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo 950 is back to 100% power. Both brushes are spinning perfectly, leaving these floors spotless. That is the Robocare standard. Stop living with a broken robot vacuum. Contact Robocare today for expert repairs. Visit our website or call us to book your repair. We'll get your robot vacuum spinning like new.